If you're a creator trying to earn more from your content, odds are you thought about live streaming and where it fits in your content strategy. When most creators hear live streaming, they'll think about platform monetization like YouTube ads or Twitch donations. And maybe that's where your mind goes to. But stopping there leaves 90% of your potential revenue on the table. So whether live streaming is all of your content or just a supporting role, you need to know this combination of 3 types of stream that when you use them together boosts your income and the experience for your audience. I like to think of this strategy as a 3-story building where each floor has a specific purpose. I am no artist, so please just pretend that this is a building with me, okay? And just like a real building, you need a solid foundation before you can enjoy the view from the top. So let's start with the ground floor. The foundation of your live streaming income starts with public streams on platforms where your audience already hangs out. That's YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, just wherever your people are. Think of these free public streams like decorating the storefront window of your building. They're designed to catch people's attention and invite them inside. One creator who does this really well is Max Randall. He's a dog trainer and the founder of MK9+. He found that his audience is on Instagram, so every week he uses that platform to go live.
The live streams are every Wednesday, 7:30 in the evening, and the reason why I do those, so everything is like clockwork. The one thing that your brain loves is familiarity.
With a consistent presence on Instagram Live, Max has built a loyal following, which is exactly what you need for floors 2 and 3 of the strategy. And while streaming for free, you can totally monetize still. You can use ads, donations, super chats, but the extra cash here is just a nice bonus. The primary goal of these free public streams is to grow your audience and build their trust in you so they're interested in what you're going to offer next. And here's where most creators get stuck. They build a solid ground floor with public streams, but never build the crucial second floor that takes viewers from free stream to paying for access. But on the second floor, you're actually still going to stream for free, with one critical difference. Instead of broadcasting on public platforms, you're going to host these streams on your own platform and require an email registration from people who attend. And you might be thinking, won't I lose viewers if I ask for their email? And the answer is no. You won't lose the viewers who matter, the ones who care about you, your content, and the change it makes in their lives. There's also a huge benefit for your viewers that most people overlook. Think about the platforms that you're on right now, like TikTok and YouTube. They're always pushing ads or recommended content, right? Well, when you take that away and use your own platform, your audience gets a premium, distraction-free experience that actually feels special. The chat moves at a readable pace. Questions get answered. Connections form because the trolls can't get in. This is where you start building a true community rather than just gathering viewers. Plus, by asking for email addresses, you can more easily reach your biggest fans again later because now you have their emails. For live streams at this level, of course, you want to keep giving your viewers an awesome experience. That's a given. But this is also the time to promote the 3rd level of your live stream strategy, your paid experience. I'll talk about that more in a second, but first, when it comes to promoting your paid offer during your second floor streams, follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of the stream is valuable content that delivers on what you've promised, and no more than 20% is the invitation to your paid experience. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't feel pushy, since these viewers have already shown higher interest by registering. So your invitation feels like a natural next step rather than a hard sell. Plus, offering an exclusive discount for attendees of this stream makes your paid content even more enticing. Now, let's climb to the 3rd floor, the penthouse of your live streaming strategy. This is where everything we built turns into predictable, recurring revenue. Here's where you can share your experience, knowledge, and personality while you get paid a consistent monthly rate for the work you put in, which is huge. Streaming inside a membership on your own site means your biggest fans have an exclusive space to call their own, which translates to more revenue and enjoyment. There's a psychological trigger that happens when viewers have access to something that others don't. There's the feelings of belonging and exclusivity, which are really powerful. And as a result, people feel more comfortable getting real in your stream chats, and tuning in becomes a higher priority. That's why the creators earning the most from live streaming aren't necessarily the ones with the biggest audiences. They're the ones with the right funnel who use all 3 levels. Build these floors with the right system, and you'll be shocked at how quickly your live stream income grows from occasional donations to consistent, predictable revenue. Of course, to do this successfully, you also need to use the right platform at the right time. Our team has put together a list of the top streaming platforms with a clear breakdown of when to use each one and how to know if it's right for you. Check it out at the link in the description or on screen, and thanks for watching.